Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm at Reyes' property here in Duluth, Georgia. Today we're currently standing on the front slope. I'm going to be removing a damaged shingle today and letting you guys follow along. Here's the damaged shingle. Here's an overview of the shingles before we start. As you can see, there's a lot of thermal cracking on this roof. There's even some on the shingles that we're repairing today. But as you can see, poor ventilation has caused this roof to really have some wear and tear. You can see on some of the shingles, you can see the matting on them. So I'm gonna let you guys follow along with me today. I'm gonna put this cushion down actually and set you guys up to where you can see all the shingles involved. And then I'm gonna leave this shingle here for you guys to come pick up for testing as well. Alrighty guys, here's the damaged shingle right here. No nail there, guys. Okay, these are, wow, really high nailed. Okay, I'm about to pull you guys out and show you the nails we're looking at. So, as I said, no nail there, no nails. And then when I check this shingle, look how far up and over nailed they are. That is protruded through the shingle. Same with that one. So I'm gonna have to lift these a little higher to be able to get those nails out. Just wanted to let you know why. Alrighty guys, this shingle actually tore right on the thermal crack. From lifting it up, you can kind of hear it just start to go. That looks like it's completely torn. Okay. You can kind of hear this one starting to tear as well. I think that's it. Should just pop out now. Right. Wipe off all this debris that was underneath the shingle. Unfortunately, guys, when I'm lifting these shingles, these thermal cracks are creating a new point of resistance halfway through the shingle instead of bending back right here. So as you can see, when I go to lift this shingle back to get my hammer under it, it's actually stopping and bending right across this thermal crack instead of up here. So as you can see, the shingle is just pressing back down right into my hammer because of that. Now we can go ahead and ignore, obviously, where my hammer struck the shingle. But here's the new shingle in, guys. Like I said, this point of resistance right here on this thermal crack is causing to, when I lift the shingle to get my hammer under, this is the new point of resistance right here. Normally you see the creasing start up here because these shingles actually create this point of resistance on these shingles. Now, as you can tell, when I lift this up, you're getting right in that thermal crack. Now, if I do this on these shingles to get the loose granules off to show you that how these shingles turn out after they're repaired. Now, I can do the same motion over here to these shingles that weren't affected. And as you can see, no loose granules come off of these. But as you can see from this repair, all these shingles have now broken in this point of resistance point for these shingles. I'll go ahead and chalk this up for you guys just in case the quality of the video is bad. Thank you for your consideration.